Nasabi ko ni. What's up, Pabi? What's up, Vim? Ang sakit. Ang hirap ng glass cannon. Ow! So good. Oh, ano? Ano kaya ngayon? Hindi na kayo sineryoso kanina eh. Pupuwing ako kanina eh. Sugod niyo ako eh. Ano? Ano ngayon? What now, bro? Oopsie. Boss na? Boss na ba to? Alo, bawal na ako malis.
Don't worry, I can solve this. This is all just a misunderstanding.
Which one of you activated the gate? Which one of you is a Val blood?
Why, that was me, of course. I am Alva the Lion, treasure hunter extraordinaire.
Uy!
Take her! Bring her to Doriani. As for you, I will pay back every drop of Val blood you have spilled.
Guess we can't talk this out. Charged arrow.
Sure ka na dyan.
Bow to your queen or die!
Sure ka na dyan.
You will fall before us. Hey! Shut your mouth! Feel Arakali sting!
Ayan. Hindi ko matama. Aray ko. Aray ko. Ano yan?
Hey! Shut the mouth! Bow to your queen or die!
Ay ba? Mamatay ka na nga. Dati ka bang abnoy? Tama mo muna yan bago mo ako sabihin mag-bow.
Stop it! Hey!
Nag?
Shut the mouth!
Paano nga auto-moderate? Wait nga. Okay. Inalaw ko. Ayan, inalaw ko. May ano, yung words na NGA.